I know that he's been testing it every day, and that was the most important part. I didn't want that radio to go back to you, and then all of a sudden you call and say, hey, it's doing it again. I want to make sure it's fixed. It's not doing it again. And like he said so far, everything looks good. The everything's fixed, you know, and it's ready to go. But just like I said, he must be very busy right now.
But I did. Well, you know, we all get busy, man. I understand that. He's a busy man. He's a wanted man. All right, Jeff. I'll get back on the side with these guys out there. Have the frequency back, and you have a good one, all right, buddy. Don't get all excited because it ain't worth it.
I know, but I'm just one of these people that's into communication all the time. You know, like you know damn well from the get-go on the first thing that you ever been worked on, even with the wood carver over there, called you guys all the time because that's the way I am. I feel that communication makes things work a lot better. And when you got no communication, you start to wonder, and wondering doesn't do anything for you.
What they say is, we have a failure to communicate. We'll be all right, Jeff. I just wonder, buddy.
See that again, Tony.
He's got a lie. You need to turn on mic. I can do it by what I got.
It's a loud microphone, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, it's real loud. It's a blaring microphone.
It sounds like it's a power mic.
Yeah, it's not, man. It's just that old, I call it the banana mic. It's the long straight stick. That's all it is. It's not amplified. No, you're the power mic. You're amplified. No, get back on that Tiny Tim.
You'll have to change your handle to power mic.
It will. And I was thinking about putting a Turner Plus 2 on this thing.
The M Plus 2 blue one like I got? I'm enjoying this one. It works good on this radio. This is a Galaxy, so you never know.
Don't threaten this with your modulation.
Not possible. My audio's okay, right?
Good. Power mic, man. Jump on a roof, man.
Really good.
It is loud. You can hear you can hear it definitely loud.
It's helping my modulation, eh? Scale of 1 to 10, you're a 10.
A little over 10, a little distorted, but yeah, it's loud.
A little distorted, eh? Well, you sure that's for Mike and not just me?
That's okay, you're probably up in it.